bear dye crab, the way it just absorbs the salinity and the flavors, it's incredible. And one great thing about this is that you can put it in right from frozen, or you can thaw it out the night before. And here we have our Louisiana seafood boil made with sweet, delicious Alaska bear dye crab.
I've structured my career around celebrating seasonal ingredients as well as local ingredients, so I love being able to work with fish that comes from our shores. Alaska comprises the largest population of sablefish in the world, and it's an amazing product to work with. So this wild Alaskan sablefish is just absolutely beautiful, it's delicious, and it's actually a fish that I became really intimate with at the beginning of my career. I cut my teeth at Nobu 57, where I was breaking down about 200 to 250 pounds of this a day. There we called it black cod. That's probably how it's listed on a lot of menus that you've seen, but technically it is called sablefish.
I'm gonna add my Alaska crab now. So what I like to do is I'll take off the body, and I like to smash the legs a little bit so that all of the juices get in there and then the flavor gets all inside when you're cutting. You can just snap them. Look at these beautiful legs. Alaska crab, oh, that meat, that's gonna just pop in there, is one of the most sought after and delicious things in the seafood family. My mom, if there's a crab anywhere around, she will come to me and say, please give me all the crab that you have. And it's like a Christmas present. The thing I love about halibut is it is one of the meatiest fish, and it is mild. You could use it in such a variety of ways. I have a favorite in the summertime that I do with a blackberry salsa on a grilled halibut that's delicious, and something that's more robust and wintry like this stew. It just has this silkiness in the texture. The rockfish, I love the Alaska rockfish. Its texture, again, is something that is so versatile. I love to use it breaded and fried, and I'll use it in a fish taco or in a stew such as this, or sometimes I will do a crust with pistachios and fry it and use it over rice. I'm gonna get the crab body and the fish, and then I'll place some of the claws around. And this is something you could do as a single serving or do it family style. You could also add pasta to this. Spaghetti is great with it, or serve it with rice.
This is Alaska sockeye salmon, and it's from the Pacific. You can see it's a really stunning bright orange color. Baking it in clay is really a showstopper because you can remove the top of the little sarcophagus table side, and then you again get double show-stopping effect with that bright color because it's gonna stay this orange even after we cook it.
Once the daikon starts to soften up after a few minutes, we're going to add the Alaska sole. So the Alaska sole is such a beautiful, delicate fish. It's mild in flavor, but excellent for sauteing, pan frying, and what I love to do in this particular dish is it's literally just gently poaching the fish. And because the other flavors in this stew are so strong and bold, the nice balance of a delicate, flaky fish is perfect for this stew. I like to serve this stew really simply with a nice bowl of short grain rice and some kimchi if you've got it. If you don't have kimchi, this is just delicious with some rice and the stew itself.